Hello friends, if you clicked on this video after looking at the thumbnail, then you have clicked on the exact right video. Because today's I am going to show you something that will completely blow your mind. You have seen AI models on Instagram, but in today's video I am going to tell you the real truth about Elba Rinai, the world's first AI model to officially host a major reality TV show. Is she real or is she the future of television? Lately, Elba Rinai has been trending everywhere because she was hired to host a special segment of the famous reality show Survival in Spain. When you look at her speaking, making gestures, and interacting, it is almost impossible to tell she is not human. But the reality is, Elva Renai is a 100% virtual AI character created by a digital company. This is a huge deal because for the first time, AI is not just limited to photos on social media. It is entering mainstream television and taking over professional hosting jobs. If you think your job is safe from AI, Elba Renai is here to prove everyone wrong. That's all I wanted to share with you in today's video. What do you think? Will AI replace all TV hosts in the future? Please let me know in the comment box below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I keep bringing these unique tech updates regularly for you. See you in the next one.